Hello again. Let's do a quick tutorial and show everybody how to set up a layer. Now, the directions are in the Canvas course and in the assignment, but we're going to show you a quick little clip here on how to do it. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to start from scratch. All I'm going to do is set up some layers. I'm not going to do anything else. So I opened this up, and my menu, apparently I had layers up, so it popped it up. Now, if it's not there, click on the layer button right here. It pops it up. Mine's docked, obviously, so it pops up. So all I do to create a layer is I click on the new layer button right there. See, new layer, Alt-N, would do the same thing. I type in the name, 1-walls. And spelling becomes important. And then I just hit another one. When I've got my walls, I'll say 1-hidden. And then I'll do a new layer, and I'll call this one 1-construction. Spell it right today? No, not constructions, construction. Okay. And then I'll do another one. I'll call this one, say cabinets. Okay. And I might make here 1-plumbing. And I might make one here, it's 1-electrical. Okay. So I'll put all of my pieces in there, and I can just build them all one right after the other if I want to. That's an easy way to do it. And then the next thing I'll do is I will have lots of layers, gentlemen, ladies. I will have bunches of them. I'll have one for everything on that first floor layer or on that foundation layer. Now, to change the colors, because remember we control our prints by colors, I'll come up here, see my cabinets. I'm going to change it from white to be, now I use these base 7 colors right here. Actually, there's 9 colors, but we only use the 7. I use these for the most part because they're my ones that are set up easiest. Later on, I'll have you use some of these other colors, but remember, all the colors are numbered. They're not named. So I'm going to say my cabinets, I'll go in as this magenta color. Okay. And see, it closed my window there. So I got to go back here and pull up the next one and say, okay, my construction. Now my construction, I always do number 241. And I always tell it to be a no plot. So I have to hit OK here and no plot there. So I just do that. Now electrical, I always do my electrical as green. So I'm going to click on the green layer right here. Now the electrical is the first one that's not a continuous line type I've got here. So I have to click on OK here and see it closed it again. I hate it when it does that. But I'm going to go here to continuous. And I'm going to pick a different line type. Guess what? I haven't loaded any. So to load a line type, all I have to do is click on load. And I can click on an individual line type and load it, but I'm going to load a whole bunch of them that I use in one go, so I don't have to come back and do this. So I literally click on the first one I use that I'll be using later is batting. I'm going to scroll all the way down here to the bottom where it says Phantom 2, and I'm going to hit the Shift key and hold it down, and then click on Phantom X2, and then hit the OK right here, and it loads all of those. Okay. Now, the one I'll actually use for my electrical will be the -.2. Okay. And then I go, OK, and see it changed it to -.2. My hidden layer right here is also going to be a green line, and it's going to be gotta hit the OK here, and it's going to be literally complicated, a hidden line type. So look, it says hidden right there. Okay. Plumbing. Plumbing for the most part, I also put in as green. I'll put it as blue right now. Sometimes I do blue. But I put in all my layers like that, and I'll just color code them as I go. That's it. That's how hard it is. Once you're done with your whole list here, all you have to do is use your snipping tool. Now, your snipping tool is an icon that looks like this, and right down here, my cursor's hovering over. This is my snipping tool. So I'm going to pull it up, and what it does is lets me snip anything that's on my screen. So I'm going to go back here. I'm going to pull my layers out. Okay. Got to get them to pull out. Okay. It's got to stay out. So I hate it when it tries to think for me. Dumb thing. See, it does it every time. All right, I've got to pull it up and make it dock, make it undock. There we go. Good little piece of stuff. Stay open. There we go. All right, and then I can go new right here, and I can just literally snip off a picture of it and upload it, and that's how I do my assignment. Now, notice how I had to click on this little guy right here to make it stay open. Sometimes you have to do that. Yours will probably do it naturally. Mine is automatically trying to think for me. Now, to save it, okay, I'm going to cancel this. So I'll do save right here. I'll save it as whatever file name I want to save it as, and make sure it's an appropriate file name. And then I'll just save it as a PNG or a JPEG. I usually go PNG because they're smallest. Hit the save button right here. Make sure you know where you saved it. Mine's saving it to pictures. Yours should probably save it to your U drive, which will be your student number right here. And hit the save button, boom, and it'll save it right there, and you can upload it to me for this assignment and be done with it. Thanks. Bye.